This 2018 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 6, leveling jacks, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, awning, oven, stovetop burner, water heater, air conditioning, TV, spare tire kit, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RB is 5,625 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.